So, hello everyone, my name is Akshay and welcome back to the channel of the GFG POTD streak of day 151, I guess. Yes. So, let us start the today's question without wasting any further time. So, today's question name is taxi booking, and the tax given here as array is greedy, and there's is an algorithm. So, let us read the question. It's an easy category question, and if you have read this question, able to solve it yourself, then it's well and good. Then let us read and solve it together. So, you are given a book a taxi. So, there are infinite number of points 1, 2, 3 on the x-axis, and your current position is current, which is given you as 4 in the first input test case. So there are n taxis near you, and the position of those taxis given as an array position. Okay, so the position of the taxis are given with this position array, and the time there is one time array where the time of I denotes the time taken by the ith taxi to cover 1 unit of the distance, and we have to find the minimum number of time to board the taxi. So let us see how the input and output is coming using this explanation they have given. So we have 156 and 231. So what they are saying is that your current position minus the position 1, and you multiply it with the time given, right? You will get 6. Similarly, the current position minus position 2, multiply it with the corresponding time given, that is 3. And similarly do for all the 3 entries, and the minimum you have to take it. So it's a very straightforward question, I guess. I don't think we have to do anything here. So what we can do, we have this we have this number line here, that is 1, which is the positions are what, 1, 5 and 6, and your current position is given you as 4, and the time associated with it is given you as 2, 3 and 1. What you have to do, that you have to find for this position, it will be current position minus given position into 2, so it will be 6. Again, current minus position minus given position into 3, so you will see that it will result in -1. So that means you have to take the abs of differences, right? So it will be 1 into 3, 3. Similarly, at this pointer, the current position is 4 minus 6 into what, 1. So take the abs value again, so it will be 2, and you have to return the minimum. So the things which I just showed you in the diagram can be done achieved using the pseudocode as well. That is, for I equals to less than an I plus plus, we'll maintain an answer variable. We will always calculate this thing, that answer is equals to what, minimum of answer, comma, what I am doing, I'm subtracting current position, I'm taking the abs value, right? Current position minus the ith position, and then the corresponding time associated with it, so time of I, and that's it. After this for loop, we can just say return answer. So this is a very straight pretty forward question, and I think you guys have able to code this as well. So the time comes to of this approach will be O of n, because we are using just a for loop. Let us see the constraint what is given. So the constraint given for n is 10 power 5, so definitely it is less than 10 power 8. So if you are able to code this approach, which you will be, then this code will successfully get submitted. So let us pause the video here now, and give yourself maybe 1 or 2 minutes time to just code this 3 lines of code, and we'll be good to go, right? So let us do that. So I have coded the pseudo code here as well. I hope you are able to also do this by yourself. Okay, so there's an answer with the infinity value, because we have to compare, we have to find the track the minimum value, and that's the thing which is required and set by the question. You can see expected and your output matches. Let us hit the submit button, and then you'll see for ourselves. So great, all the test cases have passed successfully. So it was like maybe a very easy question. Similarly, the C++ code, this answer dot integer dot max value will be converted into int max, right? So let me code that C++ approach as well, because many of you are requesting that. So this integer dot max will be replaced with what, int max. So let me do that thing for you, and then we'll resume it. So I've coded the C++ code as well. As you can see, the integer.max value has just changed to int underscore max, and then math.min will be what, will be converted into just min, and then the abs math.abs will be converted into abs. So let us hit the submit button, and then we'll see for ourselves. So great, the code has been successfully compiled, and I don't think there is other approaches left, because the maximum we can use only O of n, right? So that is it for today's question. And as you can see, there are no repeating steps as well. You have to calculate for each and every position, that the minimum task you have to do. So there is no optimization left. That's the only brute force and the optimization, as you can see, or as you can say. So that is it. Let us resume back for the tomorrow's video of day 152. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Bye bye, and take care.